Okay. So you've called it practice 1. Okay. So okay, so you can go ahead and paste what you've copied.
Okay, sir. Oh, sorry.
You have to copy it again. This is not, is that practice? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Careful now. All right. Hey, careful. Okay. All right. So this is the question um for you to do now.
Yes, sir.
So your code should ask the user. So your code should prompt the user for their first name.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Then after that, it should prompt them for their weight,
Surname.
not surname, their weight, as in their weight. You
Okay, sir.
understand? Their weight and then their height. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
uh, uh, so so weight and height are numbers. So you know that you know what you have to do anytime you are taking in numbers. So those are the 3 things it will ask for: their first name, their weight, and their height. Then it will now, in an alert box, it will now show this. Hi, my name is, okay, let's pretend that it was Simeon that you entered. When it asks you to enter name, it will say, my name is Simeon. I weigh 20 kg or 40 kg.
Yes, sir.
And my height is, do you know your height?
I'm 4'5".
4'5". Okay, in meters, Uncle. Let's say it's in meters. What would you say? Would you say it's approximately in meters?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. So let's just use a value like 15. Okay, so let's just say 15, so that
Okay, sir.
your so let's just use a figure. So my name is Simeon. I
Mm-hmm.
weigh 12 kg and my
Yes,
height
sir.
is 15 meters. So that is how the alert box should look. But when they're entering weight and height, they are not entering kg. They're just entering a number. You understand? It's your alert box that you add all that kg and meter. Did you
Okay,
get the
sir.
question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So you feel it's something you can do, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So go ahead. Let's see you do it.
So I should do everything you just said. Okay, sir.
Yes. 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 Go ahead.
So I should write it.
Do you want to write it down?
Oh no, those are
If you, I'm sure you heard me as I was saying it. Uh,
prompt.
so you already have 2 prompt statements, right?
Yes, sir.
So maybe you now need to add a third one,
Yes,
and
I
then
did.
maybe, okay, good. So you may also need to change your variable names so that they will reflect what you are,
I put
asking.
I put VARC.
Okay. Okay. All right.
Please type
So
in
go ahead.
your weight or type in your height
Okay.
in your weight. And do I do it again for height?
That would be for height.
This one.
The second one should be for height, right? The first one should be for weight. The
Okay.
first one should be for the first name. Sorry, the first one should be for the first name. The second one should be
Okay.
for weight. The last one should be for height.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Weight. Height. Let's change it. Height. Oh, wait, so is okay, so yes, I've done it.
Okay.
But should I test the code?
No, you're not done now. The alert.
Okay.
Remember what the alert should show. And remember that weight and height are numbers. What do you do whenever you have numbers? Whenever you're dealing with numbers, do you remember?
No, sir.
Hmm. You've forgotten your eval function.
Yes, sir, eval.
Mm-hmm.
That's
So
right, eval.
yes, you have to do eval for the ones that are numbers. Name. Somebody's name is not a number, isn't it? So
Yes, sir.
first name does not have
Oh,
eval.
yes, sir. I
Mhm.
realized I was doing it on the wrong one.
Okay.
Eval and bracket. But I've not forgotten how to do this one.
Okay.
I'll still do this one.
Okay.
Yes, I've done it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. So go ahead and finish your alert.
Now try right. Wait, don't forget.
Remember what I said. My name is Simeon. So that means that place where you have Simeon should be your variable that has name inside. My name is Simeon and I weigh, you know, I weigh 10 kg, for instance, if the person entered 10.
Yes,
And
sir.
my height is 15 meters, if the person entered 15 for height.
Yes, sir.
So go ahead and specify. Remember, you have to use your concatenators and everything. Just carefully craft it. It's very simple. Just remember what I said. My name is Simeon.
Yes, sir. My name is Simeon.
Mm. And
Yes,
I
sir.
weigh.
Wait, I should write that.
That's what your alert will display. Your alert will display it. But remember, that Simeon is just an example. So your alert should display whatever name the person put in. Did you
So what
get
should I
that?
write?
What should your I'm telling you what your alert should show. Hmm?
I don't get it.
Can you see what the alert there is showing?
Yes, sir.
So I'm telling you what your alert should show. My name is.
My name is.
Then whatever the person entered as name should show next. So what should you do?
Um,
Anytime you have a string, eh?
yes, sir.
Like now, my name is. That my name is. That phrase is a string. Is it not a string?
Yes, sir, it is.
Eh. Then this one appears exactly as you say it. That means even if 100 users use your app, they will always
Mm-hmm.
see my name is. Do you understand?
Okay.
That part does not change. That's why you have to put it in quotation mark. But you see the one that has ability to change what the person enters as name. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
That one is already inside the variable. So what you will now do is to use your concatenator and add that
Um,
variable or join that variable.
wait, so my concatenator then. Hello, sir.
Yes.
My So I should put my concatenator
Uh-huh.
and then I should put what?
The variable.
Okay. Um, is the variable? Yeah, okay. Is the variable A?
Uh-uh. The code is in front of you now. You're the one that chose the variables.
Yes.
So A is the name. So that means the name is in A. So that's why A should be the variable. So when you
Okay.
need weight, you now know that B will be the variable. When you need height, you know that C will be the variable.
Yes. Okay. Now I get it. I get it now.
Okay. All right.
So should I do it for the remaining of them?
Yes, yes. Remember what I said. My name is,
Yes,
and
yes.
I will, and my
Alert.
height is. No, not separate alert. Oh, with the same alert, not a separate one. It has to be in the same alert. So that means you need more concatenators. So just keep on doing concatenate. You understand?
No concatenator.
Yes,
So it
you
should
need
not be
more
different.
concatenators. No, no, you don't want different alerts. One alert should do everything.
So like that.
Huh?
Is it like that?
What did you do?
So can you see my screen?
I can see your screen, but it looks like you've gone and done something that I don't understand.
Ah, so I don't get
There's,
it.
there's an example underneath there. Look at the example that we did in class. Follow the example.
Okay, okay.
Told you, anytime you are doing a variable, you don't put your variables inside quotation marks. Do you remember when I said that?
Oh, you don't do it, sir.
Don't do that. If you do that, the variable, the content of the variable will not show. Meanwhile, you want it to show, don't you?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. That's what you should do. So you have more concatenators. Uh-huh. That means the next thing is another string. Good. So do the string. Now you're doing it well. So go
My
ahead.
weight is
Good. You need a space there. Good. Then no, 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 no. Always remember, you don't put concatenator and variable inside
oh
quotation
yes,
marks.
sir, yes, sir.
Always outside. But you can still put a space there. I didn't say you should remove the space.
Okay,
Mhm,
but uh,
mhm. Continue now. And my height is.
yes, sir, yes, sir, no, so
Where's your concatenator? Don't forget it. Oh. You can see that
oh yes,
underlining that is there. It should already give you an idea that there's an error somewhere.
yeah, like that.
Okay. Now, yes, but there's still something that is left. My weight is, and then after that, weight, the unit for weight is in kg, isn't it? So we
Yes,
want
sir.
kg to, where do you think we should put that kg in your alert?
Um, yeah,
No. If you put it there, how do you think it will look? That place where your cursor is that where you want to put it?
yes, sir.
If you put it there, you see it will look odd. So where should it be? I want you to look at that alert and reason, think about it.
Uh, uh,
Remember, kg is a string. So that means it has to be within quotation marks. So where do you think it should be?
is it? Um,
Okay, try putting it. Look at, can you see that quotation mark after B?
After where?
After the concatenator, after B.
B. Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
the quotation mark.
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
So is that where I should put it?
You can't put, I said after the quotation mark, not after, not before the concatenator, after the
This.
quotation mark.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So I should put it there.
Mm-hmm.
KG. Like that, sir.
Then for height, you need meters to show. Where do you think the meters should be? Following what you just did now. Where do you think
Uh,
meters?
maybe. Yeah.
Look at what you just did, like less than a minute ago. Did you
Yes.
put the kg before the number or after the number?
But is it yes, sir?
Listen to my question.
Yes, sir.
Where did you put the kg? Did you put it before the number or after the number?
Um. Af- after.
Good. So this one too should be the same. The meters should come after C, not before C.
Okay. So yeah.
Yes. But you cannot just put meters there. What do you think you need?
Um. Quotation mark.
Are you sure it's only quotation mark you need?
Quotation mark with my concatenator.
Now you're talking. So go ahead and do what you just said.
Can I put my concatenator first?
Of course.
Okay. Space. Like that, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Is it like that?
Yes, yes, yes.
So do I write meters?
Yes, just put M. M is okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Uh-huh. All right. Remove. You see that alert under it that says welcome, blah, blah, blah. Remove it. You don't need
Everything.
that. Yes.
Everything. Okay.
Yes. All right. So I think you can test your code now.
Okay, sir. Type in your first name. Type in your age. It's 10 kg.
No, 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 no. You don't need to put your kg again now. You have forgotten.
Oh,
You are allowed to put the
okay.
kg for you.
Okay, open with that server.
Mm-hmm.
So what do I write for feet?
For what? We said you
Feet.
should assume meters. So you can put 15 or just put any value.
I'll just put 10.
Okay, that's fine.
My name is Simeon. My weight is 10 kg. My height is 10 meters.
Exactly. Now look at that alert very well. Is there something you can do to improve it? I noticed that there is no space between is
Yes,
and
sir.
Simeon. So can you do something to improve it?
Now let me try it
Mm-hmm.
again. Open with light
All
server.
right.
My name is
Okay.
Simeon.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just put 10, 10. Okay, now so it's done.
Okay, that's much better. I like this. Do you like how it looks?
Yeah?
Do you like how it looks?
Yes,
Okay, well done. So,
thank you, sir.
is there any question? Do you have any question?
No, sir.
So you understood what you just did, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Well done. So you see, this thing about coding,
Yes, sir.
is just like anything that you do. Even in math, in mathematics, algebra, the more you do it, the more you practice, the better you get, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So well done. I'm sure you've taken note of some things. Always
I should write some
remember the things.
things.
No, I said, I'm sure you will remember the things you've done today.
Okay.
I
Okay.
didn't say you should write anything. No. Uh-huh.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
What are the things you learn? What are the things you should remember? You must have written these ones down before. Don't put variables inside quotation marks. If you want to write it down, you can still write it down. Just to,
I should write. Don't put.
don't put concatenators and variables within quotation marks.
Wait. So can you send it in the chat?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, just be writing down your dates so that
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
uh,
Um, today's date is what? Saturday.
today is 14.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mm.
Saturday, 14th December. Sir, what is our title?
Yes, I'm trying to think of something now. I'm thinking of what the title should be.
Okay, sir.
Lessons from um okay, I think the best thing is just to say, don't worry, let me just finish it. I'll send
Okay, sir.
everything. I'll send with the title too. Lessons from strings.
And so we're having two lessons today.
Can you handle it? Can you stay for two classes?
I don't know, sir.
Okay. If you want, we can do it. Oh, me, I'm ready. So the only thing is that we'll have like 5 minutes break.
Okay, sir.
Uh-huh. So it's fine. To make up for Thursday, right?
Yes, sir.
No problem.
So how long will it be?
Our classes usually take 1 hour. Maybe our second class, I'll make it maybe like 30 minutes. So everything will be 1 hour, 30 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Do you have another engagement today? Are you going for any football practice again?
No, sir.
Okay. When are you guys closing for the year?
Next week.
Okay. Okay, I'm trying
Have
to
you sent it?
see. No, 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 no. Just I'm almost done.
Okay, okay.
Excuse me. Okay, I sent it.
Okay, sir.
Have you seen it?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I've seen it, sir.
All right. So I noticed something.
Yes, sir.
Your your image tag is not complete. Did you notice that?
Oh, what? Oh,
And that
and how does it
Ronaldo dot
work?
is you will know that at a point it will fail. Can you see body is red and body should never be red?
Yes, sir.
So can you complete that image tag quickly? You know how to complete it now. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Complete it. Let's see.
Uh, wait, so. My screen.
Even this one is not complete.
Oh, it's even true, yes.
Mhm. Do you remember how to complete it?
Yes,
Are you
um,
sure?
wait.
It's simply to put forward slash now and greater than. Forward slash and
Oh,
greater than.
yes, forward
Mm?
slash.
Mhm. Then Ronaldo, that Ronaldo.jpg is supposed to be inside a folder. I'm not sure you put it inside its folder. You didn't
It
put. You
is.
probably put it on its own, right?
It is.
It's not.
This is the
If you
folder.
look at it, it's not. It's not under images. Did you notice that? Did you notice?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Can you see? Uh-huh. So, I just said let me bring it to your attention. But you can continue. But next time, please make sure that all your images are where.
In images.
Hmm?
Images.
Are
In
you there?
images. Yes, sir. In images.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hello, Simeon. Can you hear me?
Hello, sir. I can hear
Okay.
you, sir.
Okay. Okay. All right. No problem.
And, um, Chineke, wait, so by 3 o'clock, do we have our break?
Hello, Simeon, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you. So can you hear me?
Okay.
So
Okay,
can
go
you hear
ahead.
me?
Go ahead with your notes. Go ahead with your notes. Yes, I can hear you. Very well.
So I said it's our break by 4 o'clock.
Yes, 4 o'clock.
Okay, so. Okay, so I'm finished.
Okay. All right. So let's see if we can do something new today. Okay. So the things you wrote down, I hope all of them are clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Okay. So they're just things you need to take note of. So let's move on. All right. So I
Okay.
wanted us to look at um, something that I don't know how to, I'm okay. I should have a name for it. Still dealing with variables. Okay. So we're
Yes,
going
sir.
to we're going to look at it now. Um. mm, so let's open a new file.
What should I name it?
You can name it accumulator.
How do you
Let me
spell that?
type.
RQ me
Don't
late.
worry. Let me send it in the chat.
Yes, sir. Okay, I see it.
Okay.
You. Okay. Okay, sir.
Hmm. All right. Go ahead and paste. You remember that one that you copied last time? You can paste it since it's still there. Okay. So let's see what do we have. It's typing your first name, it's typing your surname. Okay.
Sir?
So let's do a third variable. Let's do a third variable. C.
Sir, I can't hear you.
You can't hear me.
Oh, no, sir.
Hmm? You can't
Your
hear me.
background is glitching. Your background is
Is
glitching.
it is it still glitching?
Yes, sir.
How about now? Is it better now?
Uh, yes, sir.
Okay. So I said, let's have a third variable.
A dead variable.
A third
Yes,
one, third, number 3, a third variable.
Oh, third. Okay. It is a.
Yes. So this variable will be for age. So
There's
you will
a.
tell the person, please enter your age. So let me see you create it.
Please enter your age. Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Please enter your. I put it in the wrong one. Please
No, I did
enter.
say you should delete first name and surname. I don't delete it. I said add another one.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
I should make another one.
Yes.
Okay. Please. Please enter your age. Yes, sir.
Good. Well done. So based on that note that you just took now in your book, that you wrote down in your book,
Yes, sir.
what else should you add to your code?
What else? What do you mean? What? Should I? Eval.
Good. Well done. So go ahead and add
Eval.
an eval.
Eval. Okay.
Okay. All right. So now the next thing you're going to do,
Yes, sir.
um, so we're going to do something now. So go to the next line after that alert that you just typed now.
Yes, sir.
After that statement, after that line that you just typed now.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay. So you've created variable C before, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So we don't need to create it again. We'll just say C. So go ahead and type C.
What do you mean? Types like just C like that.
Just type it now. Yes. Then put your assignment operator after that.
Assignment operator. Yes,
And
sir.
then put C again. Put C again.
C. Okay.
And then put +1. Plus and then type 1 after the plus.
Like I should write plus.
Yes. So you put a space. C space plus space 1 semicolon. No, I did say plus like plus. The plus sign now. Plus operator, addition operator.
Okay, sir. Then I should put
The figure 1 as in value 1.
1.
Put your semicolon.
Sir. Semicolon.
Put your
Okay.
semicolon. Then on the next line,
Yes, next line.
you say you put an alert. Let's just do something.
Let's. Do I put bracket?
Of course now.
Okay.
Is there any alert to do without bracket? All of them must have bracket. Then put your quotation mark.
I've already put it.
Okay. So in between the quotation mark, you say next year. Next year.
Yeah.
After the quotation mark, put your concatenator.
Okay. Concatenator spaces.
A. Then put your A.
Yeah.
Then put another concatenator.
Yes, sir.
All right. Then put a quotation mark, another quotation mark. You want to continue with your sentence.
Yes, sir.
Put a space. Will be.
Will you be
One more space, and then put your concatenator after that.
one more space concatenator after that?
Eh? You just broke a rule now.
Sir, that what you told me to put.
No, look at what you just did. You're not supposed to put concatenators within quotation marks. I said put a space. After you put a space, then put a
I don't get
concatenator.
it. I don't get it.
But don't put it within the quotation mark. That means it will be after the quotation mark.
So what do you mean?
Remove the concatenator from there. We just said now that you don't put concatenators within quotation marks.
Oh, it's not true. So.
Mm-hmm. So I meant that you should put it after the quotation mark.
What happened?
Any problem? Okay.
Nothing happened, sir.
Your voice is sounding distant. Did you leave your system?
Sir?
Did you walk away from your computer?
No, sir.
Briefly.
Huh?
I said it looked as if you walked away from your computer.
Oh, no, certainly not.
Okay. So after that concatenator, you put another quotation mark. We're going to use this one and finish it. And finish the alert.
Another quotation mark.
Yes, of course.
Okay, sir.
So let's read our sentence and see how it sounds. Next year, A as the content of A will be.
Will be what?
Sorry. Before the quotation mark, move your cursor a bit to the left. Before the quotation mark.
Yeah.
Yes, we'll put another space there. So type C.
C.
Yes, that's the age.
Like that.
Yes, then put a space and your concatenator.
And put a space, okay. Like that, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello, sir.
hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. If I could not hear you. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So put your concatenator now.
Concatenator.
And then in between the quotation marks, you say years old.
Like that,
Okay,
sir.
so put your semicolon. Yes, put your semicolon and test your code.
Oh, yes. Ooh. Semicolon. Oh, sorry. That's colon.
Test your code.
I should test my code. Okay,
Yes,
sir.
open it in web server. That's what I mean.
Simeon. Next year, Simeon will be 11 years old.
Is it showing properly as you want it to show?
Yes, sir, but at the end, there is no space.
Even somewhere in the middle, there's no space. So can you work on that?
Yes, sir, I can work on that.
Okay, and every sentence should start with a capital letter. But I see that your next is a small letter. Every sentence should start with a capital letter. next year. After the year, there should be a space now
Okay.
before you see Simeon.
Okay.
Mhm.
So let me test my code again.
Okay.
Um, Next year Simeon will be 11.
Okay. Okay. So is this showing properly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you explain the code?
Um. Okay. So the re- the reason why it shows please type your first name. No, sorry. The reason why it shows next year's. Wait, sir. Can I get my charger?
Go ahead. Go ahead. We will soon go on break now. We'll soon go on break. Just continue.
Okay. So the reason why it shows next year Simeon will be 11 is because it says next year in this and plus and then like combines my name because my variable A is
Mhm.
so yeah my variable is Simeon, yeah,
Mhm.
and
Your
then
variable is containing Simeon.
yes, my variable is continuous Simeon, and the reason why it does not show 10 years old is because
Mhm.
on my code here it is
Mhm.
it is your age added by one because you're gaining 1 year every time
Mhm.
you yes every time it's your birthday, and then he puts 10, he puts 11 plus years old, then to show 11 years old.
Okay, good. Well done. So now you see what I wanted to why I call this example accumulator.html. You see that C plus one, C assignment operator C plus
Yes,
one.
sir. Yes, sir.
It's actually it's like an accumulator. Let me explain why it's an accumulator. It's as if you are adding a number to C.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you look on the right hand side, you have C plus one, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Good. So whatever happens on the right hand side, after that one is added to C, guess what will happen on the left hand side?
What's
The
up?
new number, the new number will now be used to replace what was inside C. Did you get it?
Yes, I get it, sir.
Uh-huh. That is the reason why the 10 that was in C before is no
Yes,
longer
sir.
10 but
Yes,
11.
sir. Yes, sir. That's
Does
what
it?
I said.
Uh-huh. Okay. So do you have any questions on that?
No, sir. No,
Okay,
sir.
that's good. Okay. All right. So I think we can go on break now. So make sure that you charge your computer while you're on break. Then we'll
Yes,
continue.
sir.
We'll continue in 5 minutes time.
Okay, sir.
Is that? Mm. All right. So see you in 5 minutes. Or would you leave or let's just stay in class? What game was that?
It's called Roblox.
Room blocks.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's like an online game, right?
Oh, yes, it is.
Okay. So what level are you?
I am level 8.5 trillion.
Oh, okay. Are you playing with real people?
Sir?
Are you playing against real people, or you're
Yes,
just playing the game against?
I'm playing against few
Okay,
people.
okay, that's good. Okay, all right. At least you've been able to relax a bit.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we want to talk about math functions. So I'm going to send you something um in the chat.
Okay, sir.
Mm.
So challenging you. When Jesus says yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus says yes, nobody can say.
Okay, I sent you something.
Should I write it?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir. Okay. I need to switch.
You need to do what?
Oh, not to son, not to son.
Okay.
Okay, I finished writing, sir.
Oh, it's okay. That's good. Okay, so let's see an example. Then we'll continue writing. But let's see an example. So you can create a new file and call it math functions
Not
.html.
oh, oh,
Did you
what?
get that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead. Math functions.html.
Yes, I've done it. Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
I can hear you. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Do you okay? So I think you can copy
Again.
from the one, yes, so that
Okay.
we don't have.
Oh, I need to press copy.
Uh-huh. So you need to go and copy from the code again. I think either practice one or practice, either of them should give you something to work
With
with.
practice. Copy. Wait. Um. Listen, wait, sir. I need to stop sharing. Come, sir.
Why?
Because when I try to click on it, it's no wait. Come,
Mm-hmm.
sir. Let me do
Oh,
it.
yeah, now go ahead. Okay.
Yeah, I've done it, sir.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. So um okay. So you know what? That place where you have a please type in your first name. Change it to please type in the base. Please
Type
type
in
in the base.
on the second one or
The
the first
base.
one.
The first one. That's what I said. The first one.
Type in. How do you just write?
The base.
The what?
Type in the base. The base. The base. 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 Base.
Okay. Like that.
Yes. And that base is a number, so you need eval for it.
So what is a base?
Okay. So in mathematics, when you
Yes,
have
sir.
something raised to power something, okay,
Yes, sir.
like x raised to power 2 or
Yes, sir.
3 3 raised to power 2, that 3
Yes,
is
sir.
called the base because it is
Okay,
at the bottom. Okay.
okay, sir.
Then
Okay, sir.
2, you notice that small 2, there's one small 2 that they will put on top, that is at the top, that you say 3 raised to power 2. That small 2 is called the index or the
Yes,
power.
sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes. So it's just about the name. It's not as if you don't know it. You already know it. It's
So
just
it's
that
my
that's
name.
the name they call it. No, I mean it's the name that they call it. That's the name they call it.
Okay.
Mm. So the first one says what? Please type in the base. The second one should be please type in the power. and it's also a number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. On the next line, we're going to use our first math library function. Are you ready?
Sir, what did you say? Our
On the
first.
next line, math library function, but you
What
have
is
to move
that?
to the next line. That's what I'm. That's what we're learning
Okay.
about.
Okay.
Look at what you've done.
Also, sir. Uh,
Control Z, Control Z. Okay. Then hit enter after the semicolon.
enter after the semicolon. Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So, let's create a third variable, or should we do a third variable?
Yes, sir. Let's do a third variable.
Okay, go ahead and create a third variable.
Yeah. C also E E A R. Oh,
Why are you putting it on the same line?
yes, sir. I don't want me to
Okay.
see.
It's not a prompt, though. I didn't ask you to do prompt.
Eval.
No, don't do eval either. I'll tell
Okay.
you what to do. But, stop. Go ahead and put your assignment operator. I didn't say you should not put assignment operator.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. So you're going to type capital M-A-T-H after your assignment operator, please.
M
Capital
A.
M-A-T-H. But the
Yes, sir.
A is only the M that is capital. The A is not capital. The T
Yes,
is not
sir.
capital. The H
Yes,
is not
sir.
capital. Yes,
Yes, I've
good.
done it.
Okay, good. Then dot, dot. Good. Can you see all these things that are showing here?
Yes, sir.
Good. So they
Like,
are either, what you are seeing there is either a function or a value. The first one
yes,
there, I
sir.
think is E, is saying E. Those ones that are in blue are values. Okay. I know
Wait, the
you're
one that
wondering
are
what kind
in
of,
blue are values, and the one in red are.
they are values. While the ones that are in purple after the blue ones are functions. So the one we want to talk about now is the POW function, POW. So just type P, you will see that it will go to POW. Just type P. Can you see POW?
Yes, sir.
Now open the parentheses. Good. What does it give you? What information does it give you there? The first one, it says number, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
X number.
Yes, I see it.
Good.
Yes,
So
sir.
what does that include? I want to explain it to you. Listen. The
So I
first
can't hear
one
you.
is,
So I can't hear you.
can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
The first one is the base.
Mm-hmm.
The second
The
one
base.
after the comma. Yes. The second one after the comma is the power. Did you get that now?
Hmm?
I said the first one is the base.
Mm-hmm.
The second one that comes after the comma eh,
Yes.
is the
What
power.
comma? What comma?
Eh? Okay.
What what comma?
You said what comma? There will
Yes,
be a
sir.
comma, then you type a comma. So let me explain why you type a comma, okay?
Okay, sir.
Now, I know that all the functions we've been looking at so far, it seems as if
Mm-hmm.
they are only taking one argument, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So sometimes functions take more than one argument. This one, for instance, takes two arguments. That's why you're
Okay,
seeing
sir.
that x and then comma y. So just go ahead and put here. What's your base in this example that we have here? What variable represents your base?
A.
Thank you. So go ahead and type A there. Then put a comma. What variable represents your power?
A. Wait, should I put space?
No need for space. Just type A.
Okay. A, then comma.
Yes. And then what variable represents your power?
Sir?
What variable represents your power?
B. B.
So put your comma and put B.
I'm looking for comma. Wait. Okay.
Look at your keyboard very well. Seen it?
That's
Good. All right. Put your semicolon and go and put an alert for, and let us see what is in variable C.
alert.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and put out what is in C now. C is, and then concatenator C.
C.
You should be able to do that.
C is concat. Oh no. Okay, sir. C is
C.
C.
Yes.
Okay.
Test your code. Put your semicolon and test your code quickly.
Okay. So what should I write for my base?
Think about a number that you know the answer to that. So if you have, for instance, I give you an example. If the base is 3 and the power is 2, that means 3 raised to power 2. Is it not?
Sir?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Why are you guessing whether you can hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I said if 3 is the base and
E.
2 is the power.
Yes, sir.
3 raised to power 2 is what?
6.
No.
Wait, sir.
3
If
raised to power 2 is 3 times 3. That means 3 times 3. 3 in 2 places. You understand? Now, if you say 3
okay.
times 2, 3 times 2 is 6. I didn't say 3 times 2. I said 3 times 3. As in 3 in 2 places, but it's times that is between them. Do you understand now?
Yes, sir.
So 3 times 3 is what?
3 times 3 is 9.
Good. Alright, let us try. Now that we know that 3 squared is 9, let's try
Yes,
it
sir.
and see if this function will work for us. So go ahead and type 3 for your base.
3, 2.
And type 2 for your power.
Yes,
Is it
I
correct?
says it says it is 9.
So it's correct, isn't it?
Yes, sir. So if it was 4, would the power be 12?
What power?
No, sorry. Sir, if the base was 4 and the
Uh,
power was 2, would the
mhm.
answer be 12?
No, 4 times 4 is what?
Oh, okay. It's something by itself. Okay.
Yes, that's what is happening.
So it's like a squared number.
It's not always squared, it can be anything. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
It can be 4 raised to power 3. And 4 raised to power 3 is 4 times 4 times 4, which is what? 64, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, so go ahead, test it for other values, see it work. When you see it work, you get excited and use it, know how to use it better.
Okay.
So I gave you, in that note, you wrote down example, isn't it? Exponentiation, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
So I
So
can
in
put
your book now,
5, 3, 1, 25.
okay. So in your book now, you
Yes,
can
sir.
write down that code, can't you? You can write down, just don't write down the whole code though. Just write MATH as in math.pow and then put
MH.
MATH now, the way you typed it
Yes,
in
sir.
your computer. You write
Yes,
it in
sir.
your book, math.pow, just as an example. Not that you're writing the whole code. Just write down that line. You understand?
Okay, okay.
Mhm.
Math.pow.
Okay.
Done, sir.
All right. Then in the bracket you put A, comma B. A, comma
Eh,
B in between
yes, sir.
parentheses here.
I
Uh-huh.
did.
Okay, good. So explain that A is the base and B is the power.
Eh,
Write it in your
yes, sir.
A is the base, B is the power.
Okay, sir. I've written it.
Okay, good. All right. So I think we can end there for today. We are going to, you will spend some time on these math functions. You can see that there are quite a number of them. You may not look at
Yes,
all of them because of your level, but I'll make sure that we look at the ones you will understand and
yes, sir.
love to use. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So do you have any questions? Do you have
No, no, sir.
any observations you want to make?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. So my greetings to Shalom. Tell him that I hope
Yes,
he's
sir.
still learning more things in coding. He should not
Yes,
forget
sir.
his coding skills.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So enjoy the rest of your weekend.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take
Have a
care.
good
I'll
day, sir.
send you. I'll send you
Okay,
something
sir.
to do.
Okay, sir.
Maybe later today.
Okay, sir.
Our next class is Tuesday. Don't forget.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
5:30.
Yes. 5:30. Yeah, Tuesday is it 5:30? Yes, 5:30. Yes, Tuesday.
Okay, sir.
All right. Bye bye.
Yeah. Have a good day, sir.
All right. You too. Bye.